Oh! Oh, you guys, no, tag Garrett, tag Garrett. Oh my goodness. Yo, is that Corey? That's not Corey. That is not Corey. That is not Corey. That is not Alright, what's up YouTube? We're Crimson here, and today we are gonna be doing some try not to laugh. I don't expect to laugh. I'm gonna be fully honest. I don't expect to laugh. I really don't. I haven't really laughed at a try not to laugh in a long time. So we're just gonna jump right into it.
2 orange and Colgate challenge in the middle. Let's go.
Oh! Oh!
With DIY project?
I can't do this face. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. I'll give myself three lives starting now. Okay, 3 lives starting now. 3 lives starting now. I'm sorry. Oh, his face, dude. His face. Hold on. Bring that back.
Like, with DIY project?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, dude, the realization on his face, bro. When he realized it wasn't Oh my goodness, dude. Okay.
Ew. Is that like Bésame la boca.
Okay. In the moment, I could see this being funny if I were them. But damn, okay, it is not that funny. Oh God, he got everyone's comparison.
I knew it, y'all. I knew it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dude. Oh my goodness. Yo, I didn't. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God.
The amateur. I knew it, y'all. I knew it.
I knew it, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Damn. Laugh without smiling. Can you even? I don't even know if you could do that.
Laugh without smiling, bro.
Oh, the guy recording this, his laugh is atrocious, dude. Yo, that don't count. I paused the video. I was gonna talk. That don't count. I paused the video. That is. Why did it just sink? Why did it just sink?
I promise you, we're not gonna laugh. When I grew up.
What did he throw? That just caught. That wasn't like a laugh. That was like a exhale. That was like a exhale. That wasn't a laugh.
What?
All right, the fig cake and stuff.
Fig cake here. It's got fig and almonds in it.
Why does he look? Why does he look so sad? Too, baby. Yeah, dude, why does he? That's so stupid. Why does he look so sad? Why does he look so? Look, the minute it falls, look at him. Look at this. Yo, that Corey? That's not Corey. That is not Corey. That's not Corey. That's not Corey. That's not Corey. That's not Corey. Yo. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me just digest. Let me digest. Let me digest. Okay. That flip, that one. Okay. 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 This has been good. This has been good. This has been good. That flip, that caught me off guard. That flip down there, that caught me off guard. You almost had me. You almost had me. Yeah, and they say AI is gonna take over the world. AI is gonna take over the world. Potato and oil. Oh.
The most delicious, most spectacular.
I am so happy. My chicken loves husband. I cook my husband sometimes twice
What? Oh, they're editing it. I was gonna say what?
a day.
Yeah. Is the fish alive? Hey, 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 yo, he got it though. He kind of got it though. Hey, hey, hey. That's good.
Right,
10
first
seconds.
cast for the day. Let's see if we get it.
Oh, oh. Yo, the dog. What are they? Leave.
No.
Yo, they have the worst survival instincts ever. Bro, you hear gunshots, I'm out. Like, what is this jumble? Like, what was this? What was this, bro? They're play fighting. Like, you guys, no, tag area, tag area. And then, like, the dog trying to get him out of there, and she don't even know where to go. Nah, yeah, I'm just a wall, dude. Dude rotating. He was running for my caca. Yeah, I read the caption. It ain't much, but it's honest work. And Mr. Yo, but why is he walking in place like that? It's talking about that guy, this guy right here. Why is he walking in place like that? He was running for my caca. It got a little chuckle out of me. Okay, not that bad. Honestly, not that bad. It was. I think I will do another one because it was funny up until like here, and then afterwards it wasn't funny at all. So I'll cut a bunch of this out. We'll do another. And anyway, I just want to say it's a new video. 3 new lives. 3 new lives. 3 new lives.
Daj mi siły. O kurwa.
Amiga. Sí. Niño, qué difícil.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That one, this one almost got me. This one almost got me. This one with the light. I've had one of these before. It's like a light switch. It's like a portable light switch or something. I've had one of those before, so I knew it was gonna light up. So it almost got me. Almost got me. Almost got me. It almost got me. Oh, that's legendary. Oh, that's legendary. Keep it. Keep it. Save it.
So today we're going to be putting Scarlet back on
Okay. New meme found. Taking this. Yo, what noise just left my mouth, bro? What noise just left my mouth? That wasn't, dude, that wasn't even like, that was even funny.
Let me show you how to scratch it.
Go.
Serving the ice cream.
Big ass scoop for a very nice lady.
He was gonna, dude, he wanted to say it so bad, bro.
Big ass scoop for a very nice lady.
He wanted to say that so bad, bro. Oh! Fish it out. No! 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 I won't. I won't. I won't. Fish out water. No! No! No. Yeah, dude, what is he doing, bro? What is he doing, dude? What is he doing? I hope my mic isn't picking up that like nose attack that comes from me like holding in my laugh. I hope my mic isn't picking that up, bro, cuz that, yo, dude, why is he making that noise? Oh, is that the pixie toy? Where like you put your hand under it and there's like a little helicopter and like flies up. And in the fire it goes. Okay. Oh, he's gonna, oh no, why? No, it's gonna hit him. Yeah.
What are you? What happened?
My head burns.
I've never done this before.
Get him out of the house. Get him out of the, I never done this before. I never done this before. My fat red arrow.
Dopo aver dopo aver firmato gli accordi.
Why did he get so mad? Why did he get so mad?
Dopo aver dopo aver firmato gli accordi.
That's enough for me. That's enough for me. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of them weren't all that funny. The first one, it was very promising in the beginning, then as it went on, it just wasn't that funny. This one, it was like funny, like I think like somewhere around here, like maybe once or twice it was kind of funny, but overall it was about what I expected. TikToks just aren't that funny no more.
Ho, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
I gotta think of a new outro. I gotta think of like an outro. I wanna have gold, right? I wanna say like stay golden or something. Like I say that sometimes. I'm like, oh, stay gold in the comment section, and I just want to be like remember y'all be golden. Something like that. I'll figure it out. Just like, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.